All right, so I'm gonna do a couple of examples. It tells me A equals 20 degrees, B equals 10, C equals 7. So I'm gonna go through the process with my law of cosines, meaning I'm gonna find the other side, but this time the other side is actually called A. So I'm gonna say A squared equals B squared, 10 squared, plus C squared, 7 squared, minus 2 times B times C times the cosine of A, which is 20 degrees. Oh, I should have got a calculator. I'm gonna make sure that I'm in degrees, and I am. So I'm gonna go 10 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 10 times 7 times the cosine of 20 gives me that, and then I'm gonna do the square root because that is a squared. So that gives me A equals 4.1765, and that's an approximately. Now I'm going to find the other angles, so I'm going to use the law of sines to find the other angles probably. So I'm going to say sine of 20 over 4.1765 equals the sine of, oh wait, I did that wrong. Yeah, no, I did that right. The sine of x, which I don't know, or theta, we'll use theta, over 10. So we're gonna find angle B first. So I'm gonna do the sine of 20 divided by 4.1765. I'm gonna multiply that times 10, because that's gonna go times 10. So 0.8189 is approximately the sine of theta. And then I'm going to do the inverse sine. So I'm going to do the inverse sine of that. Gives me theta is approximately 54.9764 degrees. Now that I have two of the angles, I can just add them together and subtract from 180. Gives me 105.0236 approximately. So that theta is B, and this one is C. Okay, and that's it. That's all that we're really doing here. So give you guys a couple of example problems to do. Let's see. B equals, well, I'll do one more actually. 40 degrees, A equals 12, C equals 20. So I'm gonna go, this time I'm gonna find B. So B squared equals B squared equals 12 squared plus 20 squared minus 2 times 12 times 20 times the cosine of 40. B squared equals 144 plus 400 minus 24 4 times 20 times the cosine of 40 gives me 176 point blah blah blah. So I'm going to do the square root. Approximately 13.2778. So found B. So now I'm going to do the law of sines. I don't know why I did this upside down, but sure did. So I'm going to cross multiply and then divide by that. $12 times the sine 40 divided by 13.2778. Then do the inverse sine. Gives me A is approximately 35.5159 degrees. I'm going to add that to 40, so that's going to give me 75, and I'm going to subtract that, so it's going to give me 104.4841 degrees, and that's going to be C. That should be A. And that's it. That's all that we're really doing here. Oh, I'm off the screen. That's it.